In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Systemi.io. Whether you're looking to engage your visitors or direct them to specific actions, adding a button can make all the difference in your page's interactivity. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can confidently add this feature to your website. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Systemi.io. If you've been here before, you'll know the drill. But for newcomers, simply type Systemi.io into your search engine and click the link to access the homepage. Once you're there, you have the option to either log into your existing account or sign up if you're new to the platform. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the page or funnel where you want to add your button. On your dashboard, find the funnel or page in question and click the Edit Page button. This will take you directly into the page editor where all the magic happens. Once in the page editor, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find an array of options. We're interested in the Elements tab today, so go ahead and click on it. As you scroll down, you'll notice different sections, and the one you're looking for is the Form section. Within the Form section, the button element awaits. Click and hold on the button element and simply drag it over to the location on your page where you'd like it to appear. Placement is crucial for visibility and interaction, so choose a spot that makes sense for your design and purpose. Next comes the configuration of the button itself. This is where you decide what happens when someone interacts with it. You'll be presented with several actions to choose from, such as submitting a form, opening a URL, showing a pop-up, downloading a file, or advancing to the next step in your funnel. Consider your overall goal for this button when deciding on an action. If your chosen action is to open a URL, you'll need to enter the desired web address. Additionally, decide whether you'd like it to open in the same window or a brand new one based on your navigation strategy for the user. Customization is a crucial part of making your button stand out. You have a variety of options here. Change the button's text to something catchy, select a font that aligns with your website's theme, or adjust the color to capture attention. Don't forget about the padding, borders, and all those tiny details that ensure the button blends seamlessly with your website's aesthetics. Finally, after all this hard work, it's imperative to save your changes. By saving the page, you ensure that your new button and any settings you've configured are effectively applied. And there you have it. You've successfully added a button to your Systemi.io page. Enjoy the boost in interactivity and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making your web presence as dynamic as possible.